While working with some colleagues in the specialty pharmacy industry, we had noticed new demand in the market. We were working with specialty pharmacy hubs that were out there, and they tended to be distracted by these large, non-rare patient populations.
A pharmacy hub is needed in order to manage the benefits, the allocation of prescriptions, and patient services.
Manufacturers are looking for an organization who can seamlessly bind the continuity of care between the pharmacy, prescribers, and their patients.
We receive feedback from clients that if we were able to build a unique model in the patient services space that really allowed for customization and not a one-size-fits-all model, it'd be something they're interested in exploring.
We were able to take the approach that we had learned in the specialty pharmacy industry around rare and apply that to the hub space. RareMed is the nation's first rare disease-focused specialty pharmacy hub. We partner with our pharmaceutical manufacturer clients to help launch and manage their rare disease products.
We specifically target smaller biotech pharma companies that are looking for an equally small or mid-sized partner who really kind of understands what's needed from a nimbleness, the agility to kind of make changes on the fly and really customize things from the ground up.
A lot of other hub providers out there rely on third-party technology, but the fact that we have an in-house development team and our own proprietary technology allows us to customize programs specific to the needs of our partners. We try to function as an outsourced internal hub. So any specifications, any changes that they want there to their program, it's really their discretion and their decision. We are just there to facilitate, hire the best people, and ensure that they have a successful program.
One thing that's extremely unique about working at RareMed is that we all have a common vision of bringing the patient to the forefront of everything.
These are small patient populations, and in many cases, these patients never had hope previously. And it's really unbelievable the opportunity that we have to help launch these products and deliver access to these patients that previously couldn't live a normal life.
We're able to accelerate the access to patient care and be able to provide the patient with their medical breakthrough therapy in a very short turnaround time.
I think that people are so driven because we work at an organization that has such a great purpose.
Our people here at RareMed really want to be here. They are compassionate, they're empathetic, they're energetic, and I think that really comes through when interacting with our stakeholders.
We wanted to foster a culture where people were happy to come to work, that they could develop and grow, and that they would put the patient first. And I think that we were very successful in doing that.
We all have come together to our common goal and our vision in providing the best care to our patients, and everyone within the atmosphere really teams up in a collaborative effort so that we could do so.
Our rare support teams are cross-functional dedicated teams that we have working directly on a specific product or program.
You might have a care coordinator that is taking down data and answering calls from healthcare providers that works right next to the nurse that's speaking to patients and offering that clinical support. Being able to turn around and actually speak to somebody as opposed to sending an email makes the communication extremely streamlined and efficient.
All the individuals on rare support teams have past experience in specialty pharmacy, healthcare, insurance work, and so these rare support teams really are the foundation for which we build the program around.
What we're looking at is not a cookie-cutter approach. We're looking at their individual needs based on their patient population and that disease state, and then how can we make sure that we meet their needs.
We want to make sure that we deliver the same quality time and time again. Our goal is to have every partner feel like we have no other partnerships.
I think that one of the exciting things about RareMed is there will be an immense amount of growth. As we continue to partner with new rare disease clients, we plan to continue to expand. One of the great things with that growth is that it gives individuals that work at RareMed opportunities to grow into new roles and develop.
We really want to grow at a rate that is at the same rate the professional and personal growth of the employees that we have. We're constantly looking towards the future as far as making sure we constantly have a pool of qualified candidates that are stepping up, ready to kind of come on board with RareMed.
We can train anybody. We just need them to come in with passion for the patient, understanding of the rare disease population and wanting to help and assist them, making certain that they are positive, that they have integrity, and that they're willing to work very hard. Those are things that you can't put in a resume. You have to come to the table with them.
RareMed is an N of one in an industry where quality is absolutely essential.
Each rare disease has its own challenges, but fortunately, we're seeing so many new opportunities to treat these diseases. And I think that having the technology and expertise allows us to offer an experience to both the provider and the patients that is unparalleled in the industry.